In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a non-traditional strategy for finding the least common multiple of two numbers, called the Mason box. The Mason box strategy for finding the LCM. First, place the two numbers inside of an open box. Second, find a number that divides into both numbers. Third, place this number outside of the box in front of the numbers. Fourth, divide each number and place answer above number in open box. Fifth, repeat above process until the only number that divides both is 1. Sixth, multiply numbers in opposite corners of open box to find LCM. Does it matter which diagonal you use? No, they both result in the same LCM. Let's look at some examples. Example 1, LCM of 8 and 12. We draw an open box similar to the one on the screen with 8 and 12 inside of it. We might see 4 divides into both. We get 2 and 3. The only number goes into 2 and 3 is 1, so we're done. Now, let's say you didn't see 4. Let's say you divided by 2. You would have got 4, 6. Then you would have divided by 2 again, got 2, 3. Now you notice it doesn't matter whether you go quickly or slowly. The top line and the bottom line are exactly the same. Now, to find the LCM, we multiply opposite corners. So we can take 2 times 12, which is 24, or we can take 3 times 8, which is 24 also. So it doesn't matter which diagonal you use, they'll give you the same answer. Let's look at example 2 here. Let's find the LCM of 18 and 30. Put 18, 30 in the box. You may have seen 6. Divide by 6, you get 3 and 5. Nothing goes into 3 and 5 other than 1, we're done. Let's say you didn't see 6. Let's say you started out with 2. You would have 9, 15, divided by 3, 3 and 5. Now, if you notice, top line, bottom line are exactly the same. So the LCM would be 3 times 30 or 5 times 18. Now, you always want to make your life easy. So look, which is easier to multiply, 3 times 30 or 5 times 18? I think 3 times 30 would be easier to multiply. So you always look for the easier one to multiply because they both give you the same answer. Now, what about 3 of them? What if we wanted to find the LCM of 20, 16, and 32? Well, the Mason box only works on 2 numbers at a time. So we'd start off with 20 and 16. Divide by 4, you get 5 and 4. So the LCM here would be 4 times 20 or 80. So now we take this LCM with the third number. So we take 80 with 32. What number goes into 80, 32 both? Well, 8 goes in, 10 and 4, but 2 goes into 10 and 4, 5 and 2. So now we're done. So the LCM of all three is going to be 5 times 32 or 2 times 80. Which is easier? Probably 2 times 80. So 160 is your LCM of 20, 16, and 32. Where can we use this strategy? Adding, subtracting fractions. Example. Add 11 15ths plus 6 21st. Remember these fractions where it was tough to find the common denominator? Well, let's see. You see the common denominator for these. Where would you begin? How about the Mason box? Draw your Mason box and find the LCM. So we draw the Mason box, 15 and 21 inside. 3 goes into both, 5, 7. Nothing goes into 5, 7 other than 1, so we're done. So now we want to find the LCM, which is also the least common denominator for these two numbers. So we could take 5 times 21 or 7 times 15. I think 5 times 21 is a little easier, so I multiply. We get 105, which is your common denominator now. What's nice is we can now use the Mason box to find the numerators. So since 7 times 15 is 105, take 7 times 11, the first numerator, for the first numerator. Since 5 times 21 is 105, take 5 times 6 for the second numerator. Now add and simplify. So we get 107 over 105, which could be changed to a mixed fraction of 1 and 2 over 105. I would like to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Hopefully the Mason box opens up new avenues for you when it comes to adding those difficult fractions where it's tough to find a common denominator. And also if you need to find the least common multiple of numbers.